This is the YXX Tech Single Gang Electric Outlet Box. It is suitable for the 1/2 or 3/4 inch electrical conduit. Weatherproof outdoor outlet box. I actually use this inside of a building. It is a portable building, however, and it did come with all the parts you see here. So it's very usable. You can use it in different applications. So it does come multifunctional. This is a pack of 4. As you can see here, I have it installed. I have not put the main plate on just so you can see it. I came with the screws, everything that I needed to install it, and a hard plastic, so it was very durable. And it's been installed for about a month now. I hope you enjoy this review.